In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello board background in just 5 minutes. This simple guide will walk you through each step, ensuring that your Trello board becomes visually appealing and tailored to your personal or professional needs. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into Trello, navigate to the Trello website, and in the top right corner you'll see the login button. Click on it to proceed. If you generally use Google to sign in, click on the Google option. Trello will then prompt you to select your Google account. Choose the account that you usually use to access Trello, and this should seamlessly log you into your account without any need to enter additional credentials. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Trello board where you want to change the background. Head over to your list of boards and select the one you'd like to customize. If you're new to this process, it might be helpful to bookmark your frequently used boards for quicker access in the future. Upon entering your board, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a series of 3 dots. This is the menu icon. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, look for and click on Change Background. This is where the magic happens. You'll be given various options that offer the ability to switch up the appearance of your board. With the Change Background option active, Trello will display several choices for you to select from, including simple color palettes and vivid photographic images. Choose from the existing options, or if you have a particular image on your computer you wish to use, you can upload your own. Customizing your board in this way not only makes it more visually engaging, but also helps in maintaining focus and organization, as each board represents a specific aspect of your projects or interests. Remember, the visual aspect of your Trello board can significantly enhance the user experience. A background that resonates with your specific project can inspire creativity and keep you motivated. Once you've chosen the perfect background or uploaded one that suits your needs, simply save your changes. And there you have it. Your Trello board should now be sporting a fresh new look, personalized to fit your style. By following these quick and easy steps, you can return to your productivity with a visually stimulating workspace that encourages efficiency and enjoyment in completing your tasks. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.